Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Princess Fiona makeup tutorial. I'm super excited for this video. I always say that I'm always just excited for my videos, especially during Spooktorial season. I'm just like excited for every video, but I'm really excited for this video just because I love Shrek, I love Fiona, and I love all things ogre. And I'm just really excited to be doing this video. So if you guys want to see my Princess Fiona makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I just took a red eyeshadow and filled my eyebrows in with red. In a perfect world, I would have a red wig or like red hair because she obviously has red hair, but I always say I provide the makeup, you guys provide the wigs and the costumes and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's just get started with the makeup. So first I'm going to take the Athena palette, and I'm going to take the light green in the palette, which is this one, and I'm going to take that on Ben Nye FB7 brush. I'm just going to carve out my brows with this. Okay, now I'm going to take some powder and just set my eyes with that. Okay, and for eyeshadow, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Instinct palette because it has a bunch of different, this looks like blue, but it's actually green. So it has a bunch of different colors and different like shades of the color, so like darker to lighter, which I really love. So first we're going to take the BH Cosmetics Tapered Blending Brush, and we're going to take that first green from the palette, and we're just going to put it on the inner corner of our eye. Also gonna take it and put it on the outer corner of our eye. Now I'm gonna take a Morphe M330 brush, and we're gonna take the third green and just put that under where we put that shade in the inner corner, and also on the outer corner. Now we're gonna take the Juvia's Place Rebel Army palette, and we're gonna take the first matte green in that palette and put that under, just to like give a nice gradient effect, and also put it on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Rebel Army palette again. I'm gonna take the shimmery green shade right there. I'm gonna take that on this Morphe Chrome brush. I'm just gonna put that on the inner part of the eye. And also on the lid. I'm gonna spray the brush with some setting spray just to wet it a little bit. Take the Juvia's Place Rebel Mint palette, and I'm gonna take the first shade in that palette, which is like a shimmer silver shade. I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Yes, gorgeous. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited. It looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna do a black wing eyeliner. I love that so much. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the face and all that good stuff. There's just something about green eyeshadow that makes brown eyes look so good. I also feel like it works really good with my like skin tone, so I just like love this eye look right now. Okay, so now we're moving on to face. We're gonna take the Athena palette. We're gonna take the light green that we used for the eyes, and we're just gonna put that all over our face. I'm gonna take this white that I got from like Party City or something. It's just like a random white, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm using the same brush that I used to prime my eyelid, just so it's a little bit like green. I'm gonna blend that out with the beauty sponge. Now I'm gonna set under my eyes with some powder. I'm gonna take the CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna take the green and mix it in with a little bit of the black. I'm gonna contour with this. I'm gonna take the CC Beauty palette again. I'm just gonna take that coral color. I'm gonna put some blush on my cheeks, also on my nose. So I'm gonna take the darkest green. I'm gonna contour with that. You want to make sure to pat and not swipe because you don't want to get rid of any of that cream product. I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the first pink from that palette and just blush with that. And now for under eyes, we're gonna take a Morphe M506 brush and we're gonna take the darkest green from that Makeup Revolution palette. And now for lips, we're just gonna take the CC Beauty palette again and we're gonna take the pink from that palette. I'm gonna take some white. I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so I just went off camera, put on a little tiara, and then I also made these little ears out of cardboard and I put those on, and yeah, this is my finished Princess Fiona makeup look. My tiara is crooked. Okay. If my tiara is crooked, just ignore it and act like it's not. But yeah, this is the finished Princess Fiona makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I kind of wish I had like her dress or whatever. I feel like that would really solidify how great that this looks. But I love the eyeshadow. And yeah, this is the finished Princess Fiona makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below if you want to watch previous videos or previous series of my Spooktorial series, like previous episodes of this season or other seasons. Those will also be linked down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I really hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.